so bored. Remember those days when we had those adventures that were so, like, freaking cool? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Yay, it's my turn! Yay! Holy crap. Holy crap. Probably shouldn't eaten all those flies. Yeah, those were the good old days. Running around, passing out, and then finding ourselves in our house, drunk and naked. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go on an adventure, okay? Alright, that's good for me. Now, you stay here, because really, you're just gonna slow me down, and if I, like, pass out, you are gonna, like, just come up and then be like, oh, yeah, I'm running around. Oh, shouldn't eat those flies, and pass out, and then you find yourself in a freaking bar in Cleveland, and then just, like, never come back for a while. Alright, so I'm gonna go on an adventure. Adventure use. So bored. For once, I just wish I could go on an adventure. Oh well. Either way, I'm probably just gonna stay here. Ooh, look! There's some adventure! Do-do-do-do-do, gonna find an adventure. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Yeah. Gonna find an adventure, adventure time. Hey you, do you have an adventure for me? No. Okay. You know what you can do? What? You can go die in a hole. Okay. Yay! Okay. Here we go. Okay. Whoa. Run as fast as you can. Running. Holy crap. Running. Look, it's a warp balloon craft glass thing. I'm gonna jump into it. Yeah! Hey! All that thing did was warp me back over here. Hey, look! Another one! Yay! Hey, it warped me here. Let's, see, where am I? I'll run this way. Whee! Drive through it. Ow, pain. Warp balloon. Oh my god. It warped me all the way back to the bed. Alright, enough of warp balloons. I'm gonna finally just go find an adventure to go on. Wait, I think I forgot something in my room. I don't know why I have a bed this big. Hey, Poison, you wanna give me an adventure? No. Please, come on. Answer is still no. Come on, pretty please with sugar on top? Okay, fine, because I like sugar on top. I heard there was a hidden treasure. Come back tomorrow, and, like, I'll give you the treasure map, okay? Tomorrow? Can't you just give it to me now? Okay. Come back in a couple of minutes, and I'll give it to you, okay? Can you not give it to me now? No. Okay. Alright, fine. I'll be back. I wonder what he wanted. Like, why I can't stay here and he can't give it to me now. Whatever. Hey, look. Oh, it's empty. Oh, tree. I'll sleep under it. I'm pretty sure it's been a couple minutes, so. Where is he? Over here, you idiot! Oh. Okay, so you got the map for me? Yeah. Can you give it to me? Not yet. Why? What do I need to do? Give me $20. Okay, here you go. Let's give you that 20 right there. Ah, very nice. Very nice. $20. How did you get $20 anyways? I have a job. Then why are you doing this? 'Cause I'm bored with my job? Well, anyway. Here's the map. Holy crap, he fell over. Pass out again. Stupid drunk. Alright. Okay. Thanks for the map anyways. See ya. Wee. Stupid drunk. That map probably won't lead him anywhere. Alright, now I've got my map. Let's open it and see where it leads us. Open it. Okay. So we're starting out at Boring Land. We head to Death Forest. I don't know why they call it Death Forest. Fun Fair, yay. To Downerville. No, the suburbs. Then to Downerville. And then that's where the secret treasure is. Okay. Flip. That is a lot of traveling. Oh, better get going. Yay! Can't forget the map.